Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts with your very own 10-day free trial. You're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the live classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on your trader education. It's a great opportunity, and I really suggest that you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the market here. First, I'm going to cover the total market new highs, and there were 31 new highs out of almost 3,000 stocks. So to put that in perspective, there were only 1% of all of the stocks in the market that were making new highs. Next, I'm going to cover the new lows. And now for the new lows in the market, there were 410 new lows in the stock market out of approximately 3,000 stocks in the New York Stock Exchange. So this accounts for a little bit more than 10% of the market is making new lows. So you can see there's a little bit of a discrepancy between the new highs and the new lows. We're not really being pushed up by that many tickers, so you could say that the breadth is poor, especially for the market pushing up higher. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. And taking a look at the S&P 500 chart here really quick, we did make a higher high as well as a higher close for the second day, actually the third day in a row. We've got 3 higher closes. Moving forward, I do think the market does have a little bit of juice left in it, but as I mentioned before, I showed you the market breadth. It needs to definitely improve for that to happen, for us to make a meaningful bounce. So as it stands right now, I am expecting to possibly make it up into this range, into the 96.50 range. There's a gap to fill right here from the close on what is that, the 22nd of September or so, from this doji right here. There's a gap that still needs to be filled. It doesn't have to be filled, but the market doesn't really like to leave gaps unfilled, so there is a gap that needs to be filled there, and that also matches up with perfectly with strong Ichimoku cloud resistance right here. See that flat top right there? That's going to be strong resistance. And we've also got the apex of these two converging trend lines. We've got this downtrend line here, and we've also got this uptrend line that we broke through early last week. And that matches up perfectly right here with the Ichimoku cloud. And we also have another convergence of the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement right there at that same level. So we've got a number of different reasons to think that the S&P 500 is going to get rejected up here in that range. And just to let you know, the Fibonacci's were drawn from the highs right here to the lows over here, and that gave us these Fibonacci levels right there. Okay, I'm going to cover the next chart. And last but not least, we're going to cover the VIX Volatility Index. It does look like the VIX is headed lower in the near term, and that is bullish for stocks. We've got a gap to fill still down here at about the 20 level, and that matches up perfectly with this support right here, and as well as the uptrend line that the VIX has going for it from all these candles, as well as a touch right here from that drop. And I believe that once the VIX fills this gap down here at the 20 level and then bounce, I believe that after it fills that gap, it will bounce and take the VIX higher and the market lower along with us. Of course, this thesis would be invalid if the VIX ends up closing below the 20 level as well as below the trend line. So it's a pretty easy, simple level to keep track of. But that's what I'm counting on. It's more likely, more probable that the trend will continue. That's just how trends work. And this is a nice little uptrend, and then we have some consolidation here, and then I believe that once it tests this line again, that it will eventually bounce back up. Okay, so that's it for the market overview video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you can try out the tradinganalyst.com with your 10-day free trial. You're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we give you, you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn. It's a great community of traders. Everybody's bouncing ideas off each other and having a great time in the chat room. It's a great opportunity, and I really suggest that you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.